Hey, what's going on, guys? Okay, we're gonna play Escape the Ice Cream Shop, and these people look evil as heck. And what happened to his legs? Okay, something happened to his legs. We are not gonna even talk to them because they have nothing to say.
Legs
The
are
place
broken.
looks nice though. Like they look
Legs
like.
are broken.
Okay, guys, give me a minute. Technical difficulties. Come on, guys, I am back and ready to play.
Yeah,
So, like I said,
popsicles are good, like they're skipping, but they're going.
apparently there's only 3 people playing, and I'm number 2. So I am I guess I joined late. Very late. So we're jumping on some Oreos, and I'm guessing that is chocolate milk. Or melted ice cream, I don't know.
You just stepped right here, and you didn't even die.
Okay, so
how cool is that?
Can you guys help me figure out these flavors? So strawberry and chocolate. The yellow one, the green one could be mint, or I've never tasted apple ice cream. I know there's wasabi ice cream in Japan, but that's really all I know. That would probably be green. But I know strawberry, chocolate. Maybe that's banana, and the green one probably can be mint. Because I'm not sure because it's how bright the colors are. So
I was always an artistic kid, drawing and painting. My name is Azet Jean
So,
Pierre.
And the yellow's banana.
Even if I'm by myself on this map, I'm gonna finish it. I don't care. Okay, we got some evil cookies. Why are the cookies evil?
There's just so much beauty that the world
I guess they don't like us.
I've decided to design a collection working with artisans in Haiti, most of them women.
Oh my god! Okay, so I need to stand right here, like right there. Okay, let's just take a minute and look at these cookies. Before I go on, let's just look at these cookies. They're chocolate chip cookies. They look like they stayed up for like 3 days. And they look like, and I don't know what the pink stuff. Maybe it's like melted ice cream, like the ice cream cookies. I really don't know. They look really mad.
I mean, I give away water for free. I'm not about to pay for it in my detergent.
Number 1 trusted, number 1 awarded. It's gotta be Tide. And for a plant-based clean, try Tide.
Can you
Pure
touch
Clean.
the cookies?
No.
Okay.
Hey, salute along! Thou hast the patchy bin of a prepubescent squire!
Okay, we made it past. Now we got ice cream cones, so I'm guessing this is strawberry. This could probably be cherry.
Banana.
This can be like banana. This can be raspberry. This can be grape. Some of these could be like ices too. Chocolate, mint, vanilla. Yeah. Okay. This is easy. What's the point of this? Like, I feel like there should be some kind of twist to this because. Okay, so this seems like melted ice cream splats everywhere.
Yes.
I'm curious, when we play these escape games, why do the people go evil? Like, you have a good company going, bro, like...
Since he's the ice cream shop, that's why it has
I think this is either... I think these are milkshakes.
Yes, they're milkshakes.
I don't know what this is. Don't ask me. Don't ask me, because I have no idea what this is. I will have videos going up, though. Like, I'm using a recorder that I downloaded. Okay, we're going in the vents. Let's go. Why are we in the vents?
The vent has all this stuff.
Let's just go. Let's go. Why is there always acid in the vents? Like, shouldn't this melt through the metal? Like, there's always some kind of green goo, or red goo, or whatever, acid, goo, slime, whatever it is. And I have a question. Do you guys want to see me, Shiro, and Maya do challenges? The reason why right now I'm not doing face cam or anything is because my hair's a mess. So, we're gonna be...
that I'm not
Layla,
I just fell right now. I'm just falling right now.
Okay, sorry. Again, like I said, I don't like talking during... Layla, what are you doing?
I died.
Okay, is this an ice cream shop? Like, don't get me wrong, donuts are good. Strawberry donut, chocolate donut, grape donut, I guess. or like chocolate. Is that a player? Oh, no, that's not a player. Did I not touch the checkpoint? Oh my! Oh wait, no, I just did it. Oh, the checkpoint's.
To feed your phenomenal, lean cuisine is changing. Over 20 dishes
Comment
with
on
no
other games that you want to play because I don't always just want to play Escape Roblox. I don't always just want to play Roblox. Like you can recommend, like try not to laugh.
Feel the clarity
You can
of
watch like you can do reactions.
from symptoms caused by over
Okay,
200 allergens.
I'm guessing this
Like
ice cream
Buddy.
spilled.
Because stuffed animals are clearly no substitute for real ones. Feel the clarity and live.
Okay, now okay, there's a big ice cream monster, and we have another evil cookie, and it's watching us as we jump.
Probably do something.
Okay, as we're jumping,
I didn't even get to play Roblox myself.
you did, you kinda did.
No, I didn't. You just played it all day to yourself.
Okay, let's jump up here. Let's jump. Oh my god, thank you. Okay. Well, I don't know what these red blocks are. I just see chocolate milk on the floor, or chocolate melted ice cream, or on the floor, or it's either melted ice cream, or it's chocolate milk. Either one. I really don't know. And since I'm getting through this really fast, I might do another escape game along with this. And if I don't escape it, I will stay on that level, and I will do a continuous level. We're about to get eaten.
Yeah, so
Let's get eaten.
we're probably gonna get pooped out.
So, see you tomorrow.
Okay, this is its mouth. Ew. Okay, so what level are we on? Oh, people are joining! I am on level 19.
This is why you shouldn't put it on the up top.
Okay. I think I can just go from here, right? Yeah, you can just do this.
That's cheating, though.
No, it's not. Cheating is skipping the levels. Okay, apparently this thing is cannibalistic because it's eating its own kind. It's eating its own sweet kind. I have a feeling we're gonna get pooped out.
Yes, we are probably.
I have a feeling we're gonna get pooped out by an ice cream cone.
I have a feeling we're gonna get pooped out too.
Lily, you're copying me right now. Okay. Yay, we have a player up there. I think she was waiting for me. Was she waiting for me? No, she wasn't. I don't know why she was waiting so long, though.
She's probably still waiting up there, but no, she's
No,
not.
she's not.
She's not anymore.
She's on level 24.
11, 24 is after this.
Yes. Okay.
When you finish, you need to leave.
Leave, I don't have nowhere to go.
Green. Okay, green killed me. I hate these ones. I hate them, I hate them, I hate them.
Open the house up till you give you the keys.
Blue.
Me and these kids are enough. You need to go.
I killed me. I killed myself.
You still have that
Pink.
picture?
Pink. Pink.
What happened to me?
You.
Pink. Green. Pink. I feel like it's pink, but I'm just gonna do the blue.
Pink.
I walked up, bro.
Every time I try to help you, you disappoint me. This time, you gotta help yourself.
Sorry. My mom's moving to
God
play,
knows how many
and we
times
might
you've been
mess
there.
up.
Okay, pink, blue. It has to be green.
Wake up the next morning, my wife is gone.
Pink, blue, pink, blue, pink, blue, pink, blue, pink, blue, pink, blue, pink, blue. Pink, blue. Maybe it's. I feel like it's pink. It's pink. Pink, blue, pink, pink. Pink, blue, pink, pink, blue, pink, pink. I can't speak anymore because I'm saying too many words at the freaking same time and I'm going fast. Pink. She's on level 24. Is it really that hard? What is it? Oh. We're getting pooped out.
Yes, we're getting pooped out. Oh no.
Okay, I see why she died.
I see why she get
What would you ask if you had
Oh, I jumped too late. That's why I jumped too early.
question? Yeah, yeah.
Jump slower.
How did I die? She died before me, so.
Why do you always put your nose in the ears and then
Can you leave me alone? I'm trying to think of this, so I'm getting mad. I didn't.
then go slow then?
I can't, Layla. It's making me go fast.
No, it's not. You're doing it.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
Oh my god, I was so close. Ugh.
She died too again? She died again?
We both died at the same time. Okay, this is getting very frustrating.
Maybe if you just calm down, you wouldn't die.
Damn thing working on my nerves.
Yay, I made it.
I was watching the animal.
You're so fast. How you? Yes, you did. We did get pooped out.
He ate his own foot off to get out the trap.
Did I just die?
You want some hot sauce?
Really? Okay, guys, I'm just gonna leave because we have like.
In your case, it wouldn't be a coyote.
Okay, so
It would be,
that was a waste of time.
Maybe if we close the video.
Okay, let's play. Escape. Let's play. We're gonna type in escape again.
Say one more thing. I don't hear you. Quiet. Can I buy a bow? It's over. Hey.
I have no idea why this is taking forever.
How you doing?
Give me a go. Okay, guys, I am back, and we are. I don't feel like going to school because you. Okay, we have archery now. I didn't know this,
I'm gonna play this game.
but we have archery now, so I guess.
You got time to eat?
You made it.
Okay, this is boring. Let's go. Oh, they got a lot. Oh, they got a lot of stuff.
Where do we go?
Let's go ziplining.
I'm gonna go enter into your house.
Let's go to the zipline. Where do we go? Oh, there. Oh, we got zip lines, guys. Yes. Okay, let me zip line real quick. Oh my gosh, we are zip lining. This is awesome. And can you guys like appreciate what I'm wearing right now? I'm wearing like rainbow, like really cool rainbow stuff. Mommy, God.
You got to play. You got let me.
Okay, now.
Then now you want.
Okay, now we have hand gliders. I want to see what. How do you do this?
Everyday food and drinks better than regular toothpaste. Go pro with Crest Pro Health.
Layla, do you know how to do this?
Healthy, beautiful
I
smiles for life.
think we just jump.
Yes, I think we just
10 grams of protein.
Oh my God, guys, we are hand
go to the
gliding.
city.
It's not the city, it's the school.
Go to school.
This is very cool.
What if you fly all the way in the water?
We are hand gliding. I'm guessing if we.
Is there a beach around here?
Okay, we're keeping the glider. We have to keep the glider. Yeah, there's a beach. We have to keep the glider, so if we go up high. Who crashed the helicopter? Billy, you want to see what music on? What music's on? Can we appreciate what I look like, though? Like, seriously, no lie. I
I'm
look
gonna
awesome.
keep this game on.
I'm changing my face.
Why are you brown in every game?
Because I'm brown in real life. Oh my God! I just.
Yeah, actually, hey, Grandma.
Okay, you know what, guys? We're gonna go back to the hand glider and grab it real quick.
I'm going to the hair glider.
And we're gonna jump.